Welcome to Pockets of Protein. My name is Chiamaka, and today we're going to be making something a little special. Raise your hand if you like cheesesteaks. Now raise your hand if you like pizza. Now imagine we combine the two and make a cheesesteak pizza, and the crust is made out of chicken. It doesn't get more high protein than that, and I'm going to show you how to make it. The first thing that we're going to do is take some ground chicken and add in your egg as well as some Parmesan cheese. Those ingredients will help to bind your crust. Added salt as well as oregano and mixed everything together. Then I took some parchment paper and put that on a pan and then flattened out the ground chicken mix. You want it to be as flat as possible. And then from there, I set the oven to 425 degrees and we'll have that bake for about 20 minutes. While our crust bakes, we're going to prepare our toppings. So for the meat, we're going to use ribeye shaped steak. I'm just gonna add in a little bit of salt and cook that to my liking. And then we'll cut up some bell peppers as well as onions to go on top of the pizza. Once your crust is done, we're going to add on the sauce. But we are not using pizza sauce. Instead, we are going to use cheese, in this case, cottage cheese. Then I'm going to season the cottage cheese. So I'll add in some salt, some garlic powder, some pepper. Mix that all together and spread that on your chicken crust. And then we'll add on the toppings. So we will lay down the mozzarella cheese. Then we will add the steak, and then the onions, and then lastly the peppers. You're going to put that back into the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes, checking periodically because you don't want your pizza to burn until it's complete. When your pizza is done, it should look like this. Absolutely sensational, absolutely delicious. You will never complain about not getting in enough protein again with this dish. Here I have the macros listed, and it goes without saying that depending on the ingredients that you're using and the quantities that you're using, the macros will differ, but that's it, guys. Please like this video if you found it helpful, share it with the people that you care about, and subscribe to this channel if you love creative and innovative ways of making high protein recipes. I post every single Friday, so hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. I have the full list of the ingredients as well as the macros and the quantities that I used in the caption, so check it out there. And if you're curious about a high protein sushi recipe, I have that for you right here, so check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Friday.